Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel sniperddos. Today I am going to show you how to configure a VLAN and assign ports to the VLAN. First, we need to start our switch, then open a console terminal. In here we see the user execution mode. Here we need to type enable command to enter the privilege execution mode. Here we need to type config. After enter the privilege execution mode, we need to go to the global config mode. So we need to type conf t. It's a short form of configure terminal. Here we need to create a VLAN. Type VLAN, then the number of the VLAN. I am creating a VLAN. The number of this VLAN is 100. Then we need to assign the name of the VLAN. Name is CSC department. So we create a VLAN 100 and give a name of the 100 VLAN is CSC department. Then click exit. Now I am going to create another VLAN. The VLAN ID is 200 and name is Tripoli DEP. After creating the VLANs, we need to assign ports to the VLAN. First, we need to assign interface Ethernet. Here is the matter. In GNS3, we don't show any fast Ethernet or Giga Ethernet port. Here we only see the Ethernet. So now I'm going to assign the port to the VLAN 100. First, interface range Ethernet 0 to 1. We assign two ports for VLAN 100. Then type switch port mode access. Then switch port access VLAN 100. Then after assigning port to the VLAN 100, we need to assign port to the VLAN 200. Then first interface range Ethernet 0 to 3. Switch port access VLAN 200. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 200. The VLAN creation and port assigning are complete. Now this part I am showing you how to verify this. Show VLAN brief. This is the command to verify the VLAN. Here we see we create two VLAN 100 and 200 and assigning port to them. After assigning the port, we need to assign IP address to our PC. Then we check uh, VLAN 100 and VLAN 200 cannot communicate with each other. First we see how to assign the IP address to the VLAN. First we go to the click the PC, then is start and open a console. Here we type IP 192.168.1.2.255.255.255.0. This is the subnet. Then next IP 192.168.1.3.255.255.255.255.255. 1.0 start console console IP 192.168.1.5 Okay, 192.168.1.6 255.255.255.0. After assigning the IP address to the PC, now I am going to show you uh, some echo request 192.168.1.3. Here we see a transmit it sent echo request to same VLAN PC, but it don't ping, then don't send any echo request to another VLAN's PC. This is the process to create a normal VLAN. Thank you very much to watch my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and please like, comment, share my video. Thank you very much. And friends, please visit my blog post. My blog post name is NFS Today blogspot.com. Here you find all kind of lab configuration of switching and routing. And here is my Facebook page. Please like and my page. Also, come share my blog post. Thank you.